This is my second time working on this fuel tank. Just tacking up the pieces right now. This right in here ain't too bad. I can't weld it solid because I got to replace some hard line that's inside. There's it looks to be like brake line almost, but it's fuel line that they bent and went to the bottom of the tank. So I got to do that. I'm waiting on that and just mocking up pieces. Got to cut a little piece for right here, and then I got to cut a piece for right in here, but I'm gonna cut this solid, so I just put one big piece in here. And yeah, just doing little tacks so I don't try to melt through the tank. I think we're getting a lot farther now than we did, and also I have the correct wire because last time I was running gas wire without gas, and if you welded before, you know how that goes. So working on fuel tank on fl250. So have a fan going. So catch you guys on the next one.